Hi students, welcome to our physical science class 10th class topic classification of elements and the periodic table on next video. So important topic for 4 marks. Important topic for 4 marks. Find the following for the atomic number 17, 19, 18. In the classification of elements, the periodic table. So for those atomic numbers, we want to write element name, electronic configuration, group number, period number, block name, element family, and also you can write as a metal or non-metal. One more property, metal or non-metal. Metal or non-metal, the given element. So important topic for 4 marks. So this is a textual question topic in 10th class physical science and classification of elements on the periodic table. So first one, we are going to write first one, that is atomic number 17. For atomic number 17, we are going to write these properties. What is the element name? You know, for atomic number 17, element name is chlorine. Its atomic number 17 means it has a 17 electrons. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So electronic configuration for the atomic number 17, that is chlorine, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Then another property, number of valence electrons, and ninth one, valency. So these are the properties we are going to write for the element. For the element 17, that is a chlorine. So element name, electronic configuration, group number, period number, block name, element family name, metal or non-metal, number of valence electrons, and valency. So first we find the number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons. It is the shell number 1. It is the shell number 2. It is the shell number 3. Third shell is the outermost shell for chlorine. Outermost shell is called valence shell. So number of electrons present in the valence shell are called valence electrons. That is 2 plus 5. 7 electrons are there. So number of valence electrons for chlorine is 7. In the previous video we explained valence electrons equal to group number. That is why group number of chlorine is 7th A. That is 7th one, 7th A. Or it can also be equal to 17th group. Number of valence electrons equal to group number. Valence electron 7 means group number 7. So subgroups are denoted by A and B. That is why it is written as a 7th A. Or in Arabic number it can be written as 17. Next, you know it is the shell number 1, shell number 2, shell number 3. Maximum shell number, maximum n value. This 3 is a period number. So period number for chlorine is 3. Block name. So what is the name of block? To which block chlorine belongs to? S block or P block or D block? So we said atomic number of chlorine is 17. It has a 17 electrons. 17th electron goes into P. You know 2 electrons goes into 1s. Next to 2 electrons 2s. Next to 6 electrons 2p. Next to 2 electrons 3s. Last 5 electrons go into 3p. That is 17th electron also goes into 3p. So this p is its block name. It means that the last electron in the electronic configuration goes into whatever the subshell, the name of that subshell is taken as block name. That is why chlorine belongs to P block. 17th electron is the last electron for chlorine. This is going into subshell P or orbital P. So this name of the subshell orbital name is called its block name. So chlorine belongs to P block. Next one, element family name. You know, in the group, so there are some number of elements in the modern periodic table. Every group is given some name. Every group for all elements is given some name based on their properties. So 7th A group element name is halogen. Halogen family. Element name for chlorine is halogen, because 7th A group element family name is halogen. Next to metal or non-metal. Metal or non-metal. When the number of valence electrons is 3 or less than 3, that atom of element can be identified as a metal. In the valence shell, suppose number of electrons 3 or less than 3, it will be metal. When the number of valence electrons is 5 or greater than 5, it can be identified as non-metal. So number of valence electrons 7 means that more than 5. Chlorine is a non-metal. Valency. So you know valency. Number of valence electrons equal to valency. Number of valence electrons equal to valency. When number of valence electrons is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. That is, when the number of valence electrons is 1, then valency is 1. When number of valence electrons is 2, then valency also 2. Number of valence electrons is 3, then valency also 3. Number of valence electrons 4, then valency also 4. So up to 4, this is a condition. But when the number of valence electrons 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, then valency can be calculated by the formula 8 minus number of valence electrons. 8 minus number of valence electrons. It is when the number of valence electrons is more than 4, to find the valency we have a formula 8 minus number of valence electrons. So valency for chlorine is 8 minus number of valence electrons 7, which is 1. So this is element name, electron configuration, group number, period number, block name, element name, metal or non-metal or valency, and also valence electrons for chlorine. Next for atomic number 19 we are taking. For atomic number 19. So atomic number 19 means it is potassium. Element name is potassium, symbol is A. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. It is a shell number 1, shell number 2, shell number 3, shell number 4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. So 19th element, for 19th element we are going to write these properties. So now First we find valence electrons. Valency shell is this is. It is the valency shell. Fourth shell. Final shell. In the final shell there is only one electron. So number of valence electrons equal to group. Number of valence electrons equal to 1. Number of valence electrons equal to 1. But we said number of valence electrons equal to valency. When the number of valence electrons is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, it is equal to valency. When number of valence electrons equal to 1, valency is 1. When number of valence electrons is 2, valency is 2. When 3, valency is 3. When 4, valency is 4. That is why here valency for potassium is 1. Because number of valence electrons 1. We said number of valence electrons equal to group number. That is why group number of this one is 1A. Group number of potassium is 1A. And period number, students, period number. Maximum shell number. This is a 4. Fourth one is the fourth period. In the modern periodic table, you can locate the position of potassium in the first A group and fourth period. Block name. How many electrons are there for potassium? 19. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18. And this is the 19th one. 19th one goes into S. That is why S block. Potassium belongs to S block. Potassium belongs to S block. Element family name for potassium is alkali metal family. Alkali metal family. Important students, these topics. Alkali metal family. Next to metal or non-metal we want to find. Here we said when the number of valence electrons is 3 or less than 3, it will be metal. When the number of valence electrons 5 or more than 5, it is non-metal. But number of valence electrons, students, for potassium 1. So it is a metal. So these are properties. These are characteristic properties of atomic number 90. That is element name, electronic configuration, group number, period number, block name, element family name, metal or non-metal, valence electrons or valency. Last one, atomic number 8. Now, what about atomic number 8, students? So, you know element name for the atomic number 8 is oxygen. Oxygen. Its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It is the shell number 1, it is the shell number 2. That is n value. So in the shell number 2 there are 2 plus 4, 6 electrons are there. So valence shell is the number 2, last shell is the valence shell. In the valence shell there are 6 electrons, 2 plus 4. So it is a number of valence electrons for oxygen is 6. Number of valence electrons is 6. Valence electrons equal to group number, so it is a 68 group. 68 group or 16th group. 16th group. Period number, students. Shell number 1, shell number 2, maximum shell number 2. So oxygen belongs to second period. So you can find position of oxygen in the second period in the 68 group. And its valency what is? But here we say when the number of valence electrons 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, to find valency we have a formula 8 minus number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons for oxygen is 6, then valence equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So valency of oxygen is 2. Now what is the block name of oxygen? 2 electrons go into 1s, next 2 electrons go into 2s, last 4 electron, that is 8 electron, that is 5th electron, 6th electron, 7th electron, 8 electrons goes into P. So P is its block name. Block name of oxygen is P block. It is a P block element. Oxygen belongs to P block. Next to element family name for oxygen. 16A group elements names are called oxygen family, or chalcogen family. Chalcogen family. So these are topics related to atomic number 17, atomic number 19 and 18 in the classification of elements of the periodic table. Most important topics, students, for 4 marks. So next in the coming videos we can explain some more important topics in the coming chapters of 10th class. So to know more important questions or topics in 10th class physical science, physics and chemistry part, so follow the channel. Channel name is Physics Krishnadi, and also you can find many important topics in the playlist of each chapter in 10th class physics in our channel. That's all today's topic.